So we made it. We are at Cecil County Raceway, and we ran into Jack.
What's up, Racing with Motorsports channel? How are you, bud?
Good to see you, buddy.
Congrats on 100K, by the way.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Yeah.
Pop it.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
You not racing?
Nope. Not today.
Look
at this streetcar.
I gotta take Louis' tire pressure gauge.
You gotta change your shoes.
I know, not Louis. I know I gotta change. I gotta get dressed.
You know what the DA is today there, sir?
The highest it will be is negative 850. So it's like negative 1100 right now.
So this is when all the people out west and up north are like,
Hate us.
That thing looks so good with the hood on it.
It does look good. Everyone's gonna think he's got a high ram now, though.
Yeah, that high ram.
That's it.
Hey. You in?
How are you, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Look, we're repping the merch and he's repping somebody else.
So Cody's car is the stock bottom end C606 record. He went 890s.
That's pretty cool.
SBE record.
And it's street.
Still stock bottom end. And no high ram.
That's right. We don't need that shit. Mamo MSD, son. That's all you need.
Look at this fucking dynamic duo here.
I like it. I like it.
Fucking thirsty Sunday at fucking 10:30.
Eric's like, I'm not at work. Don't judge me.
Yeah,
buddy? How are you?
Yeah.
Morning.
I'm pretty sure Lewis is bringing beer too.
He said he was bringing me bagels.
He's bringing bagels, I know that.
He told me, he was like, you're going to be there tomorrow? I'm like, yeah. He's like, I'm bringing everything bagels.
Yeah, he's like, I got 30 bagels plus. I'm like,
little Mustang. What's up, buddy? What are you going to do? 13 at 160 today?
I was thinking like 13 threes maybe.
Yeah?
About 112.
Okay.
112.
I was going to say a higher mile per hour.
I actually may not make it past the 60 foot. It depends how far out I get before it drops the trans or the rear diff.
Okay, that sounds about right.
But I'm going to leave off the limiter. So
That's a really good idea.
Yeah, there's no anti-lag set up on it yet, so I got to use the rev limiter. What can I say?
Cody might be a little upset if you break.
At least it'll only be a couple feet. Then I'll get out of the way.
Thanks. Nice.
Yeah,
nice.
No problem.
So this is the Turbo Viper. What is it, 106? 106 millimeter Turbo Viper. It's a big boy. Hi there. So CJ here takes some sick pictures. You'll see some of his. Go follow him on Instagram. Thanks by Chris. All right, I'll double duty.
Thanks, buddy.
Double duty.
It's all for the subscribers.
So another motor pass?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a couple of them until I get it where I like it, and then we'll do the 150 shot, and then if it holds with the 150, we're putting 200 in it.
Well, it'll hold it.
No, I'm saying the track. Yeah.
Track prep's there, man.
It feels like it.
I just wish the times were there.
Yeah, I hear you. But I get why he's doing it. If they don't kick people out and not show time, everybody has a good time.
That's true.
It's worth it. Because there's nothing more to my hate paying $125 than getting kicked out every one day.
Right. Now that you're legal.
Yeah.
Now that you went through the trouble of the cage.
That's
and the
what I
chute.
said. I said, now you're going to give me a break. Thank you, sir. See you up there, brother.
Hi, buddy. Nice wrinkle so far. That's my hero. Oh, yeah. Let's see what you got.
Yeah, I didn't. I was waiting on Steve, to be honest.
All right, go ahead. I see bagels already.
Oh, poppy seed bagels.
You ever see me come empty-handed?
Yeah, this is all what I'm about right here.
Holy cow.
No, there's like 7 different cream cheeses in here.
Yeah, where's the knives?
This is one of the reasons.
Lewis don't around, man. I don't know what's
As
what.
long as there's an everything in there for me.
There's
Bagel.
10 everything.
All right. That's what's up. A little bacon, egg, and cheese on everything. You broke. Damn, another car broken.
So funny.
You're a little overdressed for the track, buddy.
Maybe you're a little underdressed.
No, it's
you
your
ever think about
overdress.
See, I think you're actually underdressed.
Mr. Fancy. Your loafers are gonna get stuck to the.
They did. So I was trying to put Billy in the group, and I was like,
dude, I've never seen so many cars break
"They're me and Kevin Chapman."
ever.
It's cold out.
A lot of
man.
stuff broke.
Out of the driveway. Shouldn't be in the He got the push you off. You didn't even have to be towed.
Yeah, I need to get
Yeah,
on
you
this
need
guy.
to do something cool.
They got a
next
wheel
time.
dollar.
Yeah,
How do I get to that level?
definitely.
Sign me the up.
Yo, just put me right next to you at the window when you get ready to go. I got you. I got you.
Andrew's on the phone right now explaining to his wife that he broke the car,
Yeah, I did. Hey, can't be talking
that
shit.
his car is broken, and he needs a ride home
Apparently I
now.
got the
Car broken. Everything's breaking.
It's because that prep is on 100.
Yeah.
What are you like the last man standing today?
That's your people. That is. Yo, this is guaranteed what happens.
Through the auto, baby.
2 miles per hour. All right, now time to spray it.
We are spraying it right now. Got to turn the 2-step down because it left a little too hot on motor there.
And everybody's braking today.
Yeah.
So
I'm not worried about braking. It's the end of the season.
Yeah.
We're sending it.
$150?
$150.
How much?
Here's the 200 jets. I promise they're not yet.
You don't need jets, just take them out.
Yeah, it's Joey. Who needs jets?
Seriously, the jets.
was still on my line lock button, so when I floored it for the trans brake, it pushed right through the brakes. That's why I red lit on the second
We
ball.
thought you thought it was a pro tree.
No, I literally, it pushed right, so then I let go, and I'm like, oh, you dummy, you were on the line lock button. I was so mad.
What was that pass anyways? It still looked good.
I know, 155,
Okay.
131, 60 foot. We're gonna do it right this time.
Yeah.
I'm going right back up now.
All right.
Everything's fine. Everything's okay.
155.
I know, dude. What the I was scooting, but that's the best time.
Oh, Jesus. That's a big man running. He's out of breath. When someone breaks,
Definitely red light.
we keep the races going.